Okay, so this is Battle of the Minis Part 2. Going to unbox the daVinci Jr printer. Let's see what we got. And check. The user experience is really the thing I'm most interested in reviewing in this part. So the outer carton is the only box, and right at the top there's quite a bit of information and some parts. There's a tray here with a spatula, USB cord, and looks like Bowden tube and some other accessories, and then product warranty card, and a quick start guide, or a quick guide as they call it, and then a supplement, it looks like, which talks about, it says print history, about registering your printer, and talking about connect to USB cable before launching the software. And also making sure, talking about removing the materials from inside the printer, which are, just packaging materials. So we will pay attention to that. Let's see what we got back here. Looks like we have a starter spool of natural filament and a refill box of PLA Junior PLA refill filament. So now always the tough part is getting a machine out of the box. First get this power cord back here in two parts. Now it's very interesting, this printer, while it's barely considered a mini in my book, but when we contacted XYZ for submitting a mini printer, this is the one that they sent. I know they have another new one coming out even smaller, but big difference in this printer from all others that we've seen in this category is that it has a full enclosure. That's a little unique, for sure. So there's a lot of protective wrapping, and of course tape keeping everything closed. Also have some protective wrap over the display and the control panel here. Looks like that would have come off a little easier had I opened the lid. So I like how the lid stays up there. That's really nice. And this is the internal packing material that the instructions were talking about, making sure that we remove all the orange tape pieces, and then there's some styrofoam and corrugated cardboard pieces that need to come out as well. That is a lot of packing material, a little unusual from what I've seen with other printers. And now this reveals the build surface area. It appears to be about 6 inches square. I'll double check the specs on that. And then a few more pieces of orange tape. And foam and or cardboard protecting some of the moving parts. Alright, so things that I see immediately about this printer is that they have the filament storage right here inside the whole enclosure, and it's right up front to the side, pretty easy to get to. And we'll go through the instructions and load filament in the next video, and also turn it on and connect to software. But that appears to be it. Good looking printer. I look forward to testing it.